Hi friends, how's it going? Hope you all are safe and healthy. I'm Nisha Sajan. Welcome to my channel, The Path Paver, and welcome to today's video tips. You are enjoying the easiest way to learn vocabulary through root words, its meaning, and related words with examples. This is a series and it's part 4. Okay, let's go to the content. First root word is cron. Cron meaning time. Examples, see first one, anachronism. Anachronism meaning existing out of its time in history. അതായത് കാലത്തിന് ചേരാത്ത കാര്യം. See the picture here. This is Shakespeare. If you say a person living in 21st century who makes Shakespeare, then what will happen? The story would be anachronism. Okay, so another example, if you say that dinosaur still existing, nobody will believe. That is also anachronism. Next one is chronograph. This one, chronograph meaning it's an instrument for recording time. That is very accuracy, with great accuracy. See here in the picture, this one, it's a watch used as a stopwatch combined with this display watch also. It's used in car racing, deep diving, piloting plane, etc. etc. Okay. Next one is chronometer. It is an instrument for measuring time. So it is a clock. See here, it is just like a clock. For example, Greenwich Mean Time, which is particularly important for navigation. It is mainly used on board of ship, and sun is the heavenly body used for this purpose. So this is very accurate. Next one is isochronic. Isochronic meaning taking equal time or occurring at regular intervals. So here in the picture you can see this is the rhythmic heartbeat of a normal person. This is an example of isochronic. And then another example, beating of a drum during parade time also, it is also isochronic. Next is synchronize. Synchronize meaning to show the same time. See here in the picture, synchronize is when dancers coordinate their movements. See here, they are moving their hands uniformly, isn't it? So, the other example, when you and a friend set your watch at 12:15 or 1:30, whatever it is, that is like that, if you will set, that is also synchronize. Okay, next root word is sight. See here, sight. Sight meaning killing, destruction. See the examples here. Actually, this root word and its related words made me a lot, hurt me a lot, because I was trying to find each word's examples. Hundreds of such cases are coming on my mind. I was confused which one should I display. അത്രയ്ക്ക് എനിക്ക് വിഷമമായിരുന്നു ഈ ഒരു റൂട്ട് വേർഡിന്റെ എക്സാമ്പിൾസ് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ ധാരാളം ഉണ്ടെന്ന് ആകെ ഒരു വിഷമമായി പോയി. എനിവേ ഇന്നത്തെ കാലത്ത് ഇത് ഒരുപാട് നടക്കുന്നതുകൊണ്ട് ഞാൻ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ അവോയ്ഡ് ചെയ്യാം എന്ന് വിചാരിച്ചു. then also let us see side meaning killing or murdering, destruction is the meaning. So first one, see filicide is a parent killing their own child. See this example, this lady who might be heard because Sharanya who killed her own son by throwing the child on a rock. That is filicide. Next is patricide. Patricide is killing of one's own brother. Okay, see here, this is a film in this movie. Kalidas Jairam kills his own brother. That is patricide. Interviewed Akundi. All might have seen. Next one is homicide. Homicide, homo meaning man, so killing of a human, that is homicide. See this picture of T.P. Chandrasekhar, this one. T.P. Chandrasekhar, who was brutally killed by a gang of people. I don't want to say more examples. This is somewhat not a good or fair topic. That's why. This is now also happening. So many cases are there. Homicide. Next is regicide. Regi meaning king, killing a king. See here, this is Tipu Sultan, ruler of the kingdom of Mysore. He was known as Tiger of Mysore and was killed by British with the support of Marathas. Regicide. Next one is sororicide, killing of one's own sister. See here, this boy is the brother. He laced poison in ice cream and killed his own sister in Kasaragod. This incident happened recently. Then next is patricide, killing one's father. Here in the picture you can see Oedipus in Greek mythology, the king of Thebes, who killed his father and married his own mother. ഇങ്ങനത്തെ വൃത്തിയായിട്ട് ആൾക്കാർ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു പണ്ട്. പക്ഷെ ഇന്നത്തെ കാലത്ത് ഒരുപാട് വിദ്യാഭ്യാസം ഇത്രയ്ക്ക് ഡെവലപ്പ് ആയിട്ടും ആൾക്കാർക്ക് ഇപ്പോഴും ആ ടെൻഡൻസിയാണ്. സോ ദറ്റ് ഈസ് സംവാട്ട് വെരി പെയിൻഫുൾ. നെക്സ്റ്റ് വൺ ഈസ് matricide. Matricide, killing one's own mother. See here, this is a lady who was killed by her own son in Delhi. Why? Because she scolded him for consuming alcohol. So she was killed by her own son. That is matricide. Next one is circum. Circum meaning around, circle. Examples. First, circumfluent meaning flowing around in a round shape. You see here in the picture, water is flowing round shape. Okay. Next one is circumfuse. That is pour liquid in round shape. So here you can see water from a bottle is pouring, and it is in a circle shape. This one. Next one is locution. Circumlocution. Circumlocution meaning a indirect way of speaking. That is circumlocution. See here, very interesting cartoon is given. He is telling, a boy is telling, why don't you have a boyfriend? Girl says, I am just not allowed. Why don't you have a girlfriend? She is asking. The boy says, because you are still not allowed to have a boyfriend. അതായത് എനിക്ക് അനുവാദമില്ല. പെൺകുട്ടി പറഞ്ഞു. അപ്പൊ ആൺകുട്ടി എന്താ പറഞ്ഞേ, നിനക്ക് എന്താ ഗേൾ ഫ്രണ്ട് ഇല്ലാത്തതെന്ന് പെൺകുട്ടി ചോദിച്ചപ്പോ അവൻ പറയുന്നത്, നിനക്ക് ബോയ് ഫ്രണ്ട് ആകാൻ അനുവാദമില്ലാത്തത് കൊണ്ടാണ് എനിക്ക് ഗേൾ ഫ്രണ്ട് ഇല്ലാത്തത്. സോ ഇൻഡയറക്റ്റ് റിപ്ലൈ. അല്ലേ? സോ ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് circumlocution. Next one is circumlunar. Lunar meaning moon. So around the moon. You can see here a ring around the moon. This is circumlunar. Next one is circumterrestrial. Circumterrestrial meaning revolving or surrounding the earth. So here you can see the moon is revolving around the earth. That is circumterrestrial. Next one is circumspect. Circumspect meaning cautious about everything. So here in the picture you can see it is written here that it is caused this it is about Nipah virus. So we should know about or cautious about the widespread of Nipah virus. Okay. Okay, it is caused by written. It is it's very small. I don't know whether you can see. It is written here. It is caused by consuming fruit eaten by infected bats or birds. Okay, through contact with other NIV infected people. It is, but it is a natural host. So that is circumspect, cautious about everything. That is the meaning. Next is crazy. Crazy meaning power, rule. Examples, first one, plutocracy. Pluto meaning wealth. So, crazy meaning rule. What is the meaning? Government run by wealthy or the rule of the wealthy. Okay, so it means a government or a society that is ruled or controlled by wealthy people. That's the meaning. You see here in the picture, you can see plutocracy in America. A Republican tax plan is built for plutocrats. You can see here it is written the rules. Here it is written tax cuts for the rich. Cut corporate tax now. Actually, the poor peasants and other people are suffering too much there. So this is plutocracy. Next is gerontocracy. Geronto meaning old people. Geronto meaning old people. So here we can understand it is a government run by old people. You see here in the picture you can see old men in government. They are the true representatives of the people. പക്ഷേ ഇന്നത്തെ വയസ്സനായ പൊളിറ്റീഷ്യന്മാർക്ക് എല്ലാ വേലയും അറിയാം. സ്വന്തം കീശ നിറയ്ക്കാൻ നോക്കും അവർ അല്ലേ, കക്കാനും നിൽക്കാനും അവർക്ക് അറിയാം അല്ലേ. സോ I don't know whether it's fair or not. So that is gerontocracy. Next one is neocracy. Neo meaning new. So a government run by inexperienced and or new leaders. See here in the picture, do you know these politicians? Of course no, isn't it? So why? Because they are all new leaders. Okay, so everybody, see, look here, everybody's eyes are in their treasury. Okay, their eyes are in the treasury. See how happy they are. അല്ലെ, കുറെ അടിച്ചു മാറ്റാൻ അവസരമൊക്കെ കിട്ടും, അത് അങ്ങനെ നിൽക്കുകയില്ല. So next one is stratocracy. So it is here you can see the example. By example itself you can understand that is a government run by military or a military government. In the picture here, Myanmar chief military armies, they are ruling the government. This is stratocracy. Next one is timocracy. So timocracy meaning a government which love of honor is the motive, the roots. Okay, the motive is to love the public. That is timocracy. Here, see, it's the right person, Nelson Mandela. He gave more importance to love. He was a South African anti-apartheid revolutionary politician, philanthropist. He cherished the ideal of a democratic and free society, fought against black domination. Okay, so that is democracy. Next is autocracy. Autocracy, auto meaning self, so government run by a single individual. That is autocracy. So here Kim Jong-il was a North Korean politician. He was the second supreme leader of North Korea. Then now Kim Jong-un, the son of Kim Jong-il, serving as supreme leader of North Korea since 2011. So he is leading an autocratic mode of government here. Next one. Next is cred. Cred meaning to believe difference. Examples. First one, creed. Creed meaning a religious belief or a faith. Okay, see here in the picture, you can see freedom of religions. That could be our first liberty. So Gandhiji he also said that God has no religions. Then why should man? Okay, so that is great. Next one is creditable. Creditable meaning deserve praise or praiseworthy, admirable. That is the meaning of creditable. See here in the picture, you can see doctors and nurses, they are examining COVID patient. Actually, every such person is praiseworthy, isn't it? So worthy of salute, a very creditable work they are doing. Hats off to health workers. So that is good. Then next one is credulity. Credulity meaning truthfulness, tending to believe too easily. That is credulity. So see here, example here you can see a fortune teller. This one, a fortune teller taking advantage of a credulity or innocence man. Here this man. See what he is telling. What he says that I foresee a nasty fall in your immediate future. But for 20 bucks, I can give you a second opinion. So this man is producing, this man is making one sound like pluck pluck sound, isn't it? So this is probability. കളിപ്പിക്കുക, വഞ്ചിക്കുക, that is probability. പാവപ്പെട്ട ആൾക്കാരെ വഞ്ചിക്കുക, that is probability. Then next one is incredulously, meaning unbelievable, distrustful. That is the meaning, unconvinced, or these are the meaning of incredulously. See here in the picture, an unbelievable fact. It is written here. What is written? The most expensive liquid in the world is scorpion venom, costing 39 million gallon per gallon. Is it not incredulous fact? That is incredulously. Next one is accreditation, meaning an approval, quality assurance. That is good. So here this is an accreditation certificate. You can see here approved by National Association for Christian Education. So quality schools also, they are also getting accreditation certificates. Okay, അങ്ങനെയുള്ള സ്കൂൾക്കാണ് കിട്ടുന്നത്. Okay, next is cogni, meaning to learn, to know. Examples. First one is precognition. Precognition meaning knowledge of future event. Okay, മുൻവിധി പറയുക. See here in the picture, this is Abhigya Anand, 14 years, from Karnataka, predicted a severe danger to the world would happen between November 2019 to 2020, he told. So he had a precognition about this pandemic disease. Take this one. Next one is cognition. Cognition meaning the process of acquiring knowledge, or it is a learning process. Cognition meaning it's a learning process. See here in the picture, you can see a teacher is teaching by play-based learning method that will set the children for success, isn't it? So, giving and acquiring knowledge is a continuous process. It is the example. Next one is cognizant. Cognizant meaning having knowledge or awareness. So, we have seen the example. You can see sanitizer and mask. Now everybody is aware of this, isn't it? So that everybody knows that it will prevent or rescue from coronavirus to some extent. So this is cognizant. Next is incognito, meaning unknown, disguise, anonymous, false name. These are the meaning of incognito. See, here do you know this man? This is Sukumara Kurup, Kerala's most wanted criminal in India. Isn't it? He's from Kerala. Then Sukumara Kurup, what he did, he disguised and nobody knows whether he is alive or dead. So that is incognito. Next one is reconnaissance. Reconnaissance meaning to trap an enemy with the help of military. Okay, so here see the picture. Here this man is a spy. Is gathering information in the reconnaissance mission where things are learned about before in order to attack. So doing spy work to get the information. That is the meaning of reconnaissance. Okay, so here ends this video. I think everybody understood all the root words and its related word meaning, everything. Thank you for looking out.